Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Wednesday, August 15th, 2018. Well, it is basically humid out there once again, but at least we are going to be dry today, but sky cloud cover throughout the region for today. No threat for rainfall, which is a very nice change and definitely something we need because we need to dry out. Temperatures throughout the region range from the upper 60s to lower 70s over the northern interior, lower to mid 70s along the coast, with a westerly wind around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Look for that wind to veer to the southwest at 5 to 15 miles per hour with increasing humidity. On the infrared satellite picture, not much going on. Pretty much clear skies to sky cloud cover, and so therefore the radar is pretty much high and dry as well. Taking a look at the surface map, high pressure is taking control, will remain in control through tomorrow with tranquil conditions, but a bit hot and humid with a heat advisory already issued for Manhattan. Look for that to expand throughout much of the I-95 corridor from New York City to Philadelphia, as our heat index is likely to push into the mid-90s in many locations. That is mostly due to high temperatures in the upper 80s to lower 90s today, tomorrow, and Friday, and basically the dew points remaining in the 60s and 70s, which is going to lead to that heat index pushing into the mid to upper 90s. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, sky cloud cover, temperatures will range from the lower to mid 80s along the coast, mid to upper 80s everywhere else, with high levels of humidity leading to a heat index in the lower to mid 90s. Over many locations, mid to upper 90s in your urban areas. For tonight, look for a threat for some locally dense fog, otherwise sky cloud cover, lows in the lower 70s. For tomorrow afternoon, sky cloud cover is expected. I can't rule out an extremely isolated shower or thunderstorm over eastern Pennsylvania, but I think for the most part we're dealing with tranquil weather conditions with high temperatures in the upper 80s to lower 90s over much of the region, mid 80s along the immediate coast, and of course with that humidity, a heat index in the mid to upper 90s. On Friday, look for sky cloud cover with some morning fog, followed by the threat for showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon and evening hours as a cold front moves through the area. Look for lows in the lower to mid 70s, highs in the upper 80s to lower 90s over much of the region, mid 80s along the coast. On Saturday, we pretty much dry out. A cold front will move through early in the morning with a few isolated showers, followed by scattered cloud cover for the rest of the day. Lows in the lower to mid 70s, highs in the mid 80s. On Sunday, there was a threat, a more impressive threat for rainfall on Sunday, but it looks like now that trough is going to pass to the south. Can't rule out a few isolated showers, but certainly not a washout. Look for a mix of sun and clouds with lows in the upper 60s and highs in the upper 70s to lower 80s. On Monday and Tuesday, high pressure will be in control. Look for increasing clouds towards Tuesday afternoon as a warm front approaches. But temperatures will be pretty cool for this time of year. We're looking at lows in the lower to mid 60s, highs in the upper 70s to lower 80s. For Wednesday, an area low pressure will move through with scattered showers. Not a washout, but certainly some showers around. Look for lows in the lower 70s, highs in the upper 70s to lower 80s. That is your forecast discussion for today. I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.